we are free, and then they live free, and then and do. Oh, I fly in again, I do that. Why? A baby? No, two baby in just a bad band. I worry. Nice. I worry. This is what you do not do. What? He said. Wait, what? We did it. A Tesla. No. Good. My rainbow. Little rainbow. Yeah. My family unit began okay, my family. Sa fire. Okay. Whoa, we bang right here. I saw music in me. It's a new. Kill not, you know. What? He see that? Not here, right here. What? I saw it. Why? It is it. What the? No buy house. Go to mini. How many? Any more? Okay. We do five plus 8,000 passengers. Okay. Each house to buy whole time. Slow down. I'm being whole time in your channel. Why is that coverable? Need to buy this one the temple been now today whole time. You what the freak? I buy this he buy whole time. My baby's F1 PC and my baby's hair. And he got it. I was with a free. You was free. I saw it. Not very free robots. The free robots I found. Wait, what? A speedboat center. Oh, what's that thing? My name is Hannah Robots. Okay, number 2. Open door. If open now, call them. Come on. Somebody Nashbe. Kill Ashbe now. Kill Ashbe. Why worry? Go back. Speed up. I created. Okay, drive now and then win. 3. Drive. I saw it. ASOU. It's MacBook. And my MacBook, house MacBook. What? Oh. Okay. Your house in the hotel before. Let's go home. Wait. With my house again. My jeans the color now. Oh, you buy? Wait, what? Wait, you copied? Wait, what? So it's not simple. What are you doing? What? Where are you going? Wait, where are you going? Oh, sorry. Where are you going? Nah, don't do that. No. Slow down. No. 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 Oi, what is it called? Asleep. Wait, a back? Wait, sleep in the knee. Oh, boy, it's in the car. Look right here. It's a way to bang the swing on the size of what? Stop it. Come on. Stop it. Joking, no. You're cheating. Wait, inside. Calm down. It's breaking the car. It's leaving me right. Check out the name. It's guys. Stop. Stop that. Go back. Stop it. It's sad, Kimmy. There's a new house. Oh, jeez. Dad!